Hello again. I hope you're all well, and the decisions whether to make Nurgle or mostly Nurgle. I like Nurgle, and Orcs is a very good second best, but Nurgle. So I'm going to try and make a kit bash Nurgle. I'm going to take some bits and pieces that I've got and create a mutated Nurgle, if there can be. Hope you enjoy it. I'm going to try and talk more in these things rather than it just be look at how I make it. It seems that personalities have got to creep in as well, and there are a few out there, some very nice people. I've been privileged to meet a few at Salute of all places, and if you know about Salute, it's the South London War Games Society. I think they call themselves a society, and very nice people there as well. And I've been there on 2 occasions. Always been pleasantly surprised, if you like. Yeah, good bunch of people. I'm not sure how crafting as such and being on these channels crafting is going. Obviously it's not everybody's cup of tea, and I'm here. Is there anything else for me to do? I'm retired now, so yeah, it's here I am in a studio or a workshop, whatever you care to call it, and I'm making monsters and filming them. So I'm having a decent time in these troubled times. I hope everybody's well and struggling through the difficulties of the era, but always you will always get through, and yeah. So anyway, sorry to go on. Nurgles and the pastime of making Nurgles. I hope it doesn't go. I hope it doesn't go downhill as my videos are. Anyway, all the best, and hope to see you soon. Yeah, great. I hope you enjoyed the film Nurgle. Oh, and it's in the catalogue of the Nurgle X-Files that I think this is X-Files number 6, might be 5, I don't know. Be interesting if you can let me know in the comments which one it is, because I tend to forget these things, being retired and everything. Okay, bye bye for now, and I hope to see you at Salute next year, if we're all still in one piece. Bye bye. Bye bye.